A car of mass 1000 kg moves on a circular track of radius 20 meter. If the coefficient of friction is 0.64, then the maximum velocity with which the car can move is. For a particle to exhibit circular motion, there should be a force acting on the particle towards to the center of that circular track, which is called as a centripetal force. In this problem, it is said that a car of mass 1000 kg moves in a circular track of radius 20 meter. So the radius of this circular track is given as 20 meter. So coefficient of friction is given as 0.64. So as there are no other forces, frictional force has to provide the necessary centripetal force for the car to move on the circular track. So centripetal force is offered by frictional force. Centripetal force formula is written as mv square upon radius of that circular track, which is equal to, friction is written as mu times of normal reaction force. So as we are going to calculate maximum velocity, since m, r and n are constant values, to have v maximum, f should be maximum. And maximum frictional force is called as limiting friction. So FL is written as mu s times of normal reaction force. So from this, mv square maximum upon r is equal to mu s times of normal reaction force is mg, because the car is in vertical equilibrium. M and m gets cancelled out, so you get V maximum equal to as under root of mu s rg. Substituting the values in it, we get V maximum equal to as 8 root 2. On simplification, we get its value as 11.2 meter per second. Therefore, the correct option is 2.